Oh, hi there. So yeah, I've come to fix this, well, refix a sink, which has previously had some repair done to it, but not very good. Let's see if we can show you. Yeah, it's kind of here. I'll get you a close-up of that. So I've taken the sealant off just to sort of really get at it, but as you can see, someone's done a so-called repair there, and it's just not good enough really. You can kind of notice the edge of it from way back, so yeah, we're going to do a proper job on that. Hi there, so this is us continuing work on this sink. Down here, doing pretty good. As you can see, one of the benefits of working in a manor house is you get a nice cup of tea. And on this occasion, scones. Better do a good job. Yeah, so just to give you a better look at that, I've fared that all off now. I had to take it back and get it levelled up, and now I've reformed that back to the original profile. I'm trying to copy this bit here, obviously. So that's the idea. Okay, so returning to the sink. This is a repair being done. Before there was a big uneven lump there, so we've fared it all off and restored it to new, really. Quite often we have to re-repair repairs that have been done by other businesses for one reason or another, and well, this is no exception. So that's that sink sorted out. Another good job done by Diamond Gleam, bath resurfacing and hard surface repairs. I think I earned my scone there.